Well, everything in the bottom already prepared for engine removal. No suspension, no axle, all fluid is being drained, piping, coolant drained and ready. Now it's time for top. We already removed the rear glass engine cover and the small, I would like to say like a diffuser, whatever. Spoiler, fender, side skirt, bumper, tail light, exhaust, downpipe, and then just not many of them, few pipe, coolant pipe, brake ventilation system. It's been before engine sound generator is already disconnected because they have so many issues with them, with the boost leak. And then now start to remove the spoiler and rear quarter panel. Now it's a car fully turned down. The rear quarter panel is out, exhaust, spoiler, another quarter panel, intercooler over there, exhaust, test pipe, all piping, and all boost pipe, coolant line disconnected and fuel line. Now it's car prepared before engine dropping. Let's start to remove the engine. Well, engine going down. Oops. And let's leave the car. Here is how it looks. Nothing there, just a shell and engine with the transmission and cradle in moving table. Okay, let's start to turn down the engine and install another one. Well,
it's McLaren time.
McLaren time, yeah. Engine on table. Now we start strip that engine. We transfer all stuff, rail, intake, exhaust, harness on this new engine and transmission too. This is our plan. First, of course, harness, and then turbos, intake. We need to reinstall valve cover because we not silicone these two area. New thermostat, this is new design. They have little bit different design, but so many problem with the overheated, and this is new design for thermostat. Okay, let's start transfer.
It keeps going and going and going and going
and going. Well, we figure out one thing.
There's light going through it.
And this is one exhaust manifold, and here's the another guy. I think this one. Let's see. I think on the bottom.
There we go. Oops.
Yeah, just the one side is.
Can I say good job?
Yeah, and likely we have two spare exhaust manifold. This came with that engine, and really lucky. We asked the seller for that to exhaust manifold. And here we go, the engine. It's already get all new supply parts from original engine, all manifold, gaskets, spark plugs, new gasket, spark plugs, gasket, everything been transferred from this engine to that one. And now it's time to reassemble gearbox and connect to the new engine and install on the frame. Nothing there. Oh yeah, and we found the problem. I mean, the problem is cylinder head is cracked, but here is how it looks thermostat inside. It's already
right
damaged
there?
and destroyed.
Yeah.
And guys, funniest things who work on McLarens, here is the new update. I don't know, it's a possible, no, I think it's like not impossible to see, but the updated thermostat, no any plastic and rubber over there. They updated this all steel, and this is little bit different sensors looks. Okay, let's remove old engine and install new one.
Out with the old. Time to put the new in.
Yeah. All supply already there. Clean it. Check it. Many times inspected everything in. All clamps is tight. Now let's install it back. We call it marriage, right?
Yeah, marriage.
Welcome to wedding.
It's time to marry them.
Yeah, welcome to wedding. Engine installation in progress, and today for sure we fire up and check how is good that engine. And here is a little update what's going on. Suspension axle from the passenger side is already in. We installed the new Jura disc on this car. It's like downgrade, but this is more for truck. It's a steel one. Pipe, exhaust, we back to original downpipe and original muffler. Transmission, our piping already installed, just like still need install this side. Intercooler, axle and suspension and pipes, and possible to fire up. I think 1 more hour and we try. Well, everything almost assembled back. All pipe in there, suspension, and I would like to try to fire up this car. Engine oil, I fill 1 liter inside the oil filter to pre-charge the system, and 4 liter inside the oil tank. And let's start. Let's fire up. Let's try. Finally. Just now is added more oil, coolant, and ready to go. Oh, we need to replace one cylinder lock because it's have a problem with corroded. And we need to program it one more key, do a lot of adaptation, but this is another thing. Really forgot how is quiet that car with the catalytic and how its engine working fine. I mean, it's really smooth. No, it's little bit vibration, but with the original exhaust, wow, it's that engine just like it's a melody. I hope no any more surprise for another 30,000-40,000 miles on this engine. Just now it's running to check the coolant and adjust the coolant level, and I start to install back all body panels and going to test drive. I still need to do the few adaptation like a spoiler calibration, and I need to do throttle body adaptation, something like that, but it's like it's not that hard. AC time. Here is the sticker with the capacity and what refrigerant is. Now it's vacuum. Just 1 minute left. We set up 15 minutes for check the vacuum. Everything is good, no any leaks. And if it's past test, we start feeling AC. And axle not retorqued, and now need installed quarter. Quarter panel, spoiler, and all rear end stuff is already in pipe, adjusted. This side too. Few more things, and lifted up, install air pipe and side skirt. Well, time to go to test drive first, and then do all adaptation and spoiler calibration. Make sure everything good, no leaks. I not installed bottom cover and rear glass, no engine cover, just like, and no fender liner, just a spoiler diffuser and fenders. Okay, I will go into test drive and check how is it. Okay, after test drive everything looks good, a lot of smell, coolant, blah blah blah, but no any leaks, everything is good. And now we need to bleed the spoiler, not calibrate, bleed. Engine running, let's start bleed the spoiler. I brake, operate automatically. Okay. Let's give to McLaren, take care about yourself. Well, the car is done. New steel brakes all around. Test drove it, check it, everything looks really good. Car is engine, it's perfect, it's really low miles engine, something like 800. Everything bleeded, assembled, and car is Ready back to owner.